Pig stomach soup with chicken and white pepper recipe. Ingredients for pig stomach soup: pig stomach, chicken, ginkgo nuts, shelled and peeled, whole white peppercorn and garlic, carrots cut into wedges, straw mushrooms. Wash the pig stomach. Rub it with salt and lemon slice. Wash with water. Rub again with salt and lemon slice. Wash again with water. Heat up the wok until hot. Then sear the pig stomach. Flip the pig stomach and sear the other side. The wok needs to be very hot. Remove pig stomach from the wok. Wash the pig stomach once more. Insert half-peeled garlic into pig stomach through the cavity. Put some water into the wok and boil. Put the pig stomach into the boiling water. Boil for about 15 minutes to remove any further smell. Cover up and boil for about 15 minutes. Crush some white peppercorns. Remove the pig stomach and wash again. Remove the garlic from pig stomach. Put another half-peeled garlic into the pig stomach. Pour in the crushed pepper. It's ready to be cooked, boiled in the soup. Boil half a pot of water. Put in the prepared pig stomach. Add some salt. Cook and boil on low heat for at least an hour or until it's soft. After about an hour, remove the pig stomach. Cut it open. Remove the peppercorn and the garlic. Cut into small pieces. As big pieces you like it. Still not tender enough. You have to cook it again afterwards. Put the cut pieces back into the pot to continue cooking. Can put the flame on high. And put in the rest of the ingredients. Carrots, ginkgo nuts, straw mushrooms, cut into halves. Let it boil a while. Add in the chicken. And then continue cooking on low heat for about another 45 minutes. The soup is ready to serve. Pig stomach is tender now. Pig stomach soup with chicken and white pepper. Ingredients for the soup:
Yummy!